Help, help. Where's my dog? Duke. 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 No, he's not outside. That's my outside. That's Bentley. He wants to come in. Yeah, Bentley, you want to come in? Yeah, he's out there. It's a pretty day out. Duke, Duke, here. Duke. Duke. Yeah. Look, what do you want to do, Duke? You want to cuddle? You want to cuddle? Come here. Come here, Duke. Duke, Duke. Come here. Come here. Duke, Duke. Come here. Dookie. Dookie. He's like, no, I just got up. He did. He just got up because he was right here before I reached for my camera. Duke, Duke. Come here. Dookie. Duker. Come here. I'm gonna go get Bentley. Bentley wants to cuddle. He does. Duke. Come here. Duke. Here. Oh. Duke. Duke. Come here. Come here. Yeah, you. Come here. Come here, my pine straw smelling dog. Come here. Like, what do you want to do, Duke? Come here. You don't want to cuddle anymore. All right. That's all right. Come here. Duke. Come here. Right here. Come here. Dookie. Come here. My dog. Come here. What? I said cuddle. I didn't say lick. All right. Oh, look. Here we go. Look. Don't believe folks that say your dog don't want to cuddle, because Duke, do you want to cuddle? Do you want to cuddle? Duke's like, I like to cuddle. I like it. I like it. You like it, Duke? You like it? Stop licking me. I told you, stop licking me. All right. Talk to you next time. Stop.